Welcome to MLS Import video tutorials. In this video, you will see how to create MLS Import items and how to import different listings after you install MLS Import plugin. If you have not done it yet, you can watch the first part of our video by clicking on the link from the description. To create MLS Import items, go to WpAdmin, MLS Import Items and click Add New from the menu. Use the filters available and make sure you have no more than 2,000 listings in one item. This will ensure the import and sync processes go smoothly. At the beginning, you will see that the MLS Import item will show all the available listings in your MLS. You will be able to filter which properties you want to import and then save your changes. The first field you control is the property title. You can create a title with the available variables and the variable will be replaced by its value during import. You can also select what agent to show to the properties imported. You can create the agent from your chosen theme. In this theme, agents are added from Agents, Add New. You can choose to set the properties imported to status draft or published. You can select the specific user as author of the listings. And you can also filter properties from a specific price range. Next, you'll be able to select city, county, and other several categories. The values you see in these areas are synced directly from your MLS. If the MLS does not have cities, as Stellar does not in this case, they will not show in the cities area. The names cannot be changed from the MLS Import plugin end because the data is auto-populated from the MLS itself. I will select a specific county, then I will choose a specific category, but you can choose more than one category or all categories for each available MLS Import item section. I will also save a category, and next is the status list. Please note that MLS Import can sync and import only statuses active, active under contract, and coming soon. The next two fields should stay to yes if they are used in your MLS. We will save the edits made at this point. I just click Save Draft. As you see, there are 260 properties found based on the selected filters in Stellar MLS. I will choose to import only 5 listings and I will save my edit before I click Start Import. The properties you import will have to be deleted manually if you do not want to have them published, so you can test with a small number of listings before doing large imports. Wait until import completes, and when it ends, you should see the message Import stopped or completed. If you do not see this message, or you see it but the listings actually import are less than the number you selected, it means server end restrictions exist, and server end restrictions can only be modified from hosting end. The listings imported will have the chosen theme design, the data you select to import, and the images from the MLS Content Delivery Network. Images are not actually on your server, however, you will see entries in the media list. We add a new media for each picture, and we force WordPress to use the image path from the MLS server, not locally. In WpResidence Theme, the labels and the order of the fields imported can be modified from Theme Options Custom Fields area. You can change the order of the custom fields, you can change the text labels, and you can also delete fields if you do not want them to appear for already imported listings. During import, MLS Import will add to each listing its features and amenities, the map, address, and the virtual tour if it exists. And since properties are imported into your chosen theme database, you can use any other theme functionality as well, such as mortgage calculator, review section, similar listings, property views, and more. With the MLS Import plugin, you can also choose to import listings from a specific agent or agency as well. I will show you next another example for how to create an MLS Import item by listing ListAgentKey. First, go to Add New and add a new MLS Import item. Add a title here. You can select a specific agent, user, price, and so on, but if you want only your agent listings, the most important field to add is the ListAgentKey. The value is found in your properties details, and I will show you how to get this value from Bridge using Stellar MLS's example. In Bridge account, you have a preview of all the listings you can import from an MLS. You can find your specific properties before they are imported in your chosen theme, and you can use different filters to find a property. You can use listing ID if it's easier, or any other filter from this dropdown. After you find your listing, you will have to look for the list agent key. You can use a searching page like I'm doing now, or you can scroll until you get to this field, and this value is the one you need to add in MLS Import item. You can copy it from here and then see all the listings you would find by that key. In MLS Import item, you will paste your code, you will save the MLS Import, and after the page refreshes, you'll see the exact number of listings found by that key. In this case, only one can be found because there is only one active listing, and status matters as well. And you can import this listing using Start Import button. And of course, if you need help to find the values for these free fields, you can contact us by sending us a ticket with all your member information, and we will help you with this step. When the import is complete, you will see the message import stopped or completed, and you will find the imported property under properties. At this moment, you can enable the sync option for each item, which will ensure data stays in sync with MLS data. This means that new properties added in MLS will be automatically imported. Edits made to imported listings will be automatically synced in your chosen team. Properties that change status from active under contract, or coming soon to a different one will be removed automatically from your chosen team. If you want to, you can add manually some properties as well. You can do that from WpAdmin add property in any team. The properties you import will be managed with the chosen team functionality. For example, here we have a list of properties, and this list can include specific properties, including those imported. You manage which properties to show, and then with the team search options, you can find the properties imported as well. Here is an example, and then you can use any other team feature for the properties imported, like filtering properties, safe search, and so on. Thank you for watching this video. If you need any help, don't hesitate to contact us. You can reach us via chat or via ticket system, as it is easier for you. Thank you for watching.